Hi Kathy and everyone over at the Plant Professionals. My name's Christian. I'm with Ringen SEO, local digital marketing agency. I wanted to shoot this video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence and make some more money. So 3 things I want to talk about today is content, citations, and backlinks. Content, first of all, is not only the words on your website, it's also pictures, how those pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So content, we recommend 1,500 words minimum. Content is king in the eyes of Google, and so the more content you have that's relevant, the more reputable, informative you're going to seem with Google, and the better off you're going to be. So just by taking a quick look, I'm going to go ahead and say you have less than 200 words. So if you get a chance, just go ahead, add some more content. It's going to help you with Google in ranking and bringing your business up to the top. Also, these pictures are saved as IMG files, some of them, but you're going to want to make sure that you add some buyer intent keywords and also save these photos as buyer intent keywords. And that's going to help you. It's going to help you rank. Definitely. So what a buyer intent keyword is service followed by a location, or a location in front of a service. I do like your website. It's very straight to the point. And then lastly, so 1,500 words is what we recommend for any page you're trying to rank. But like, so for example, your contact us page, newsletter page, those 500 to 750 is just fine. But just remember, content is king in the eyes of Google. And so the more content you have that's relevant and not plagiarized, the better off you're going to be. Next is citations. So I typed in florist, Lansing, Michigan, Rick Anthony Flower Shop, Smith Floral. So I'm not showing you guys here for that. And part of that is called is what we like to call citations, and that's anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories throughout the web. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages. Anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories throughout the web is going to give you a citation. And you're always going to want more citations than your competitors. So just do some research and go ahead and get yourself some citations, and just make sure that they're from reputable and relevant places. Lastly, I have your GMB pulled up, your map pack, and it's looking good. Couple things I want to point out is that I don't see very many photos, so we recommend to all of our clients 10 photos minimum. And just make sure those photos, again, are saved as buyer intent keywords. And then also reviews. So you got 15 reviews, so you're getting there, but we recommend 25 reviews minimum. Obviously, the more the merrier, but it looks like you're doing a good job, so just keep pushing for those reviews, and that's definitely going to help you in your GMB in increasing your online presence. Everything else looks good. You got your address, phone number, hours, so just let's just remember those numbers: 25 Google reviews, 10 photos. And make sure they're saved properly. Lastly, this is a paid tool we like to use called Ahrefs. And this just gives a lot of history and different information on your website, but importantly is backlinks. So what a backlink is basically your website listed on the internet. And it's showing that you have 49 backlinks from 19 referring domains. And over here, this is your rating. So this is from a 0 to 100. Individually rated is your URL rating and your DR rating. And these are supposed to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you have a 17 UR rating, you want a 17 DR, or at least an 18 or a 16. So what this is showing me is that of these 49 backlinks you have from 19 referring domains, they may not be relevant. So, and Google's picking that up as being spammy potentially, and it's actually harming you. So you're going to want to go in find out your backlinks, and make sure that those backlinks are from relevant sites that have similar goals. That way Google doesn't pick it up as being spammy. So just research your backlinks and go ahead and make sure that you have some quality backlinks there. And then lastly, we have keywords. So right here, the Plant Professionals, 50 volume per month. You guys are in the #1 position. Plant Professionals, 80 volume per month. You're in the 2 position. But then if we go down here and we type in flower shops in Holt, Michigan, that's 20 volume per month. You're in the 50th position. Lansing Landscaping Companies, 20 volume per month, 53rd position. Let's see here. Flowers, East Lansing, 70 volume per month. You're in the 91 position. So that might be a good buyer intent keyword you can add, because that's 70 potential clients you could be getting, but we're in the 91 position. So you're well in the 4th and 5th page of Google, and I doubt we'll be seeing any of that business anytime soon. So I hope that this information finds you well and you can use it to increase your online presence. If you do have any feedback or any questions, feel free to reach out to us. It would be appreciated. And I hope this video finds you well, and 2021 is a great year for you. Take care. Thank you for watching.